Hello, I am Ms. Belvedere and I'm going to show you how to get to my Google Classroom since we are now switching over to that platform instead of StudentView/Synergy. So what you need to do first is literally you can just Google Classroom and it should be one of the first options. This is classroom.google.com. Once you click on that, it automatically takes me to my classes that I have already set up. Your student will have to have their student Gmail account in order to log in. The system will not let students log in unless they have a school account, so this should be their username at olatheschools.com. Once they turn that in, you will click the little plus button right up here and it will let you join a class. When it lets you join a class, it asks for a class code. Students are more than welcome to email me for the class code, or if parents want to get access to the Google Classroom as well, feel free to email me for the class code as well. Once you are in there, all of my posting for daily lessons is going to be on the Stream tab at the top. All classwork, materials, whether it's my PowerPoints, whether it's assignments, that will be on classwork. I will divide everything up through sections of our units as we move forward in the class. I will not be putting in grades in Google Classroom. All grades will still legally be put into Synergy/StudentView/Parent View so that everybody can have access to look at it. Other than that, students will be able to see right here any upcoming assignments that is due. They will find all their assignments on here. They will find all of their course materials on here, but I will still take attendance through Synergy and I will still be grading through Synergy/StudentView so that you can still be able to see their grades on that website. I hope this was a good way for you to be able to walk through Google Classroom. Email me if you have any questions at all, or have your students talk to me over Zoom calls through seminar or any other free time that they might have. Thanks.